This is really one of the lowest moments for me right now. I'm in a serious dilemma. Tomorrow is my maths test, and I know I'm going to get literally zero in that test. Not because I haven't prepared well. I have prepared basics and all that, but the questions that come are so difficult for my caliber that I know I'm going to fail, and it's been having a lot of negative weight on me. It is weighing me down in a sense, and I started noticing. I think I was trying to run away from these emotions when I was listening to music, walking, talking with random people, and all those things. But the moment I stopped all this external stimulation, I sort of, it just all weighed on me too much. And it's not easy, man. It's not easy. I'm not able to cope. As far as engineering is concerned, the parts of engineering that are draining me the most are just the studies and the curriculum. Like, I'm not able to cope up with engineering. I'm not able to cope up with this college. Like, I was praying to God that I should get one of the best colleges. And when I got one of these colleges, it's so difficult. Everyone around me is intelligent. Everyone around me solves these complex questions. And I'm just sitting in the corner and I'm unable to do anything or solve these questions. And it's so mentally draining at this point. A bad day for me lately looks like having negative emotions, not studying, not giving my best, and all those factors. I just constantly get this thought that I'm going to end up as a loser, that I'm going to fail, and all those things which I don't want. And I'm just filled with negative emotions currently. Honestly, I just feel like there's a lot of things that are going on, and I don't know why I'm not able to cope up with engineering. I don't know why it is taking a toll on my mental health. Like, I don't want to give tomorrow's exam. I don't want to study. I'm just tired. I'm like so tired right now, and even like telling others about my dilemma, not even my parents. I just feel so lonely. I feel lonely, I feel alone, I feel like no one truly understands me, no one truly is there for me, and I don't want to speak a lot on this video because it's kind of draining me out. But yeah, I just hope this phase ends soon. I just hope in future I can look back and be like, okay, I've gone through those things and now I'm a better person and now I'm able to achieve my goals and all those factors. So I just hope it happens, and I all I can do is hope. There is nothing else that I can truly do right now. Like, this is literally all that I can do. And if you are going through this, then I don't really have any suggestions for you. I don't really have any advice for you. But I would just say that all we can truly do is just control what is within control, the factors that are within our control. And what is not within our control, just leave it up to fate and God and divine power and whatever you want to say. But yeah, I think that's the only option I have left right now. That's about it.